Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel, where today guys, I'll be showing you how to select AirPods as a audio device on a MacBook. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go and of course open your MacBook and you'll have a screen like this. After that, let's see what we have in front of us. So in the top left corner, we have, as you can see, the Finder, File, Edit and View. We also have the Go, Window and Help options. In the top right corner, we have the date, we have your Wi-Fi, battery and everything. And the bottom of the screen, we have all of your applications. Well, not all of them, but the ones that you have, of course, chosen and you choose the most. But now, guys, let's see how you can actually go and select AirPods as audio device on a MacBook. So, first of all, click on the Apple logo in the top left corner of the screen and select System Settings. So we have the Apple logo here, click it, and click on System Settings, which is the second option. After that, in the sidebar, click on Sound. So you need to go and find Sound on the sidebar, as you can see here. Then you need to click on the Output tab. So you have a lot of tabs here, and you just need to go to the Output tab, as you can see here. And then from the list of available output devices, select your AirPods. Your MacBook should now use your AirPods for audio output. If you encounter any issues, make sure your AirPods are connected via Bluetooth, which you can also see down here, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and network all in one place. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. And guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, bye guys.